Now once our masters have been imported, next let's look at how we can import or set up the opening balances for the various masters. For that, let's go to accounting. Under accounting, we go to opening balances. You can set up the opening balances for your chart of accounts, inventory and your contacts from this area. Now again, you have the option to either manually key in the opening balances for your accounts. So for instance, we can key in the value directly over here under debit or credit depending on the nature of the account, or you can also import this. So let's see how we can import it. We click on import. You again have the sample file. Let's open up the sample file. So this is the sample file. Now as you can see, you need to enter the account code, the debit or credit opening balance and the exchange rate. So you need to pick up the account codes from the chart of account list that is given under accounting. Once you've done that, you can save this. Let's go back to the product. Let's import this file now. Alright, we have browsed the file and imported it over here. Let's click on next. This is again the mapping of the headers. Click on next. In case you want to edit anything or if there are any invalid records, you can always update it directly from here. We click on confirm. Now the file has been imported. Let's go back to accounting, opening balances. Now you will notice that the opening balances for the accounts have already been added over here. In case you're manually adding, you need to simply add the value and click on save. Let's move on to products. So you can define the opening balances for the products directly by typing in over here, or you can import this. You also have the option to define the opening balances when you're manually creating the products. Let's see how we can import this. Let's click on import. We again have a download sample file option. Let's look at the sample file. So this is the sample file. You will notice that you have the option of product code, the opening valuation, that is the total valuation of the opening inventory, and the opening quantity. Let's change these values. Let's say 50 quantity, 1500. Let's save this. Let's go back to the product. Let's upload this file. It's uploaded. Let's click on next. You can map the headers. Let's click on next. This will give you a snapshot of the file that is being imported. You can again edit the values from here, or in case there are any invalid records, you can see them and correct them. If all is fine, we click on confirm. The opening balances have been uploaded. Let's go back to accounting, opening balances. Let's click on inventory, and you will notice that the balances have been added.